Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can translate our document in WPS Office application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my document in my WPS Office application. And for example, I'm going to translate the sentence with the translate feature in WPS. If we want to translate it, first thing first, we have to select the text or the sentence we want to translate. And I'm just going to select them all. Wait, we can tap and hold on the text and we can drag it like this, and then there will be some options for us, and since we want to translate it, we can choose translate. Okay, and here you can choose the source language, and since this text or the sentence is in English, so I'm going to select English. And for the target language, for instance, I'm just going to select maybe French. Okay, and then click on continue and just wait for a moment guys. It's still downloading the language pack. You just need to wait until the language pack has been downloaded. Okay, and this is the translation, and you just need to click on copy if you want to copy it to your document. Alright guys, and that's how we can translate our document in WPS Office application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.